sleep with my network, and it is getting highly irritating that I'm not able to go live stream anything. Okay, coming back to answering questions. Um, okay, so if you guys want to reach me on LinkedIn or reach me on Instagram. Both my profiles have the same handle at the rate Srinidhi Rajakrishnan. The same is with YouTube as well. All right. So first things first, if you want to transition to automation tester, start with understanding whether you want to go for coding with coding automation or without coding automation. So code and codeless or low code, there are a lot of platforms. Let me know as usual whether you want to suggest me a particular roadmap, drop in the years of experience you have, whether you are a coder or not, whether you are interested in learning a programming language or not. So all those will help me answer your questions. So there is one question from Anushka. Um, which path would be good for transitioning from manual? Um, so again, what I would say is, tell me your years of experience. Tell me whether you want to learn coding or you do not want to learn coding. If you have fear of coding, because that is one of the most important things that really puts a manual tester off from transitioning into automation. So if you want to transition to automation, if you have the fear of coding, reach out to me. I will tell you how to start. And today we just started with a very, very simple program. I will show you what we did today, just 4 lines of code, and we started our programming journey. So you guys can see, so this is what we did. We simply printed a hello world, we got it, we assigned a variable, with integer value, we assigned a variable with a float value, we assigned a string value, and we simply printed the variable itself and the type of the variable. So with this we were able to understand how coding with Python works. So if you guys do not know me, this is Srinidhi Rajakrishnan. I work as automation architect at IBM. I have over 10 plus years of experience, and I have mentored over 500 people from manual into automation who are successfully working across companies today as automation engineers and some as automation leads as well. All right. So one of you is telling me that I'm speaking really fast. So I am speaking really fast today solely because my network is bad. Before it goes off, I really want to be able to send the information out to you guys. All right. So any other questions? We will try to close up the session. I see that there are very less people today. I'm not sure why. Is it my network or are you guys truly busy today? I don't know. Join my chat. Let me know. All right. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Okay. Any questions you guys want to ask me about transitioning from manual into automation? I have over 10 years of experience into automation. I myself am a manual tester, so I have transitioned successfully. I have transitioned 500 plus engineers. So this is the time if you guys want to ask anything related to jobs with respect to manual testing, automation testing, what tools to learn, where to start, what programming language to choose. So this is now your time to ask me the questions. Let me know. So the Python session has already been streamed. Hello Hitesh, good evening. Okay, finally I'm seeing people coming. Did you guys watch my live screen share session? I'm not sure. I tried to share my screen. I showed Python. I showed how to create a Python program. Not sure if you guys watched it. Let me know how it went. Okay, can you please let me know the manual testing jobs available right now? Currently there are over 1,000 companies. Yesterday I showed how to search job on LinkedIn. So yesterday we saw that there were a lot of openings for functional testing. Yukesh, let me know what is your stack. Are you a functional tester? Are you an API tester? So depending on that, I can tell you the jobs that are available right now, and we can do a search on LinkedIn, because a lot of you are asking me how to search job on LinkedIn. It is very, very easy. So yesterday I was doing a search. I hope you guys can see my screen now. So all you need to do is go to jobs. You can see the third icon, home, network. The third one is jobs. The briefcase that you see is the jobs. Just go yesterday. As you can see, yesterday I did a search here, manual tester, manual tester. So what is your location? Functional tester. Yukesh, reach out to me on LinkedIn. I currently know of an opening where there are companies who are looking for functional tester. I want to know the number of years of experience you have got, the API testing experience you have got. So you can simply go do a manual tester, and whatever your location is. If it is Hyderabad, do Hyderabad. Okay. All right. See, you have got a lot of openings, so you can simply just like widen your search. See, there are 1,000 plus jobs. You can look for experience levels. Search with respect to experience level, internship, entry level. Entry level is basically for freshers. Internship is also for college graduates or people who are going to recently graduate. Show 100 plus results. As you can see, SDET Java, Wipro is hiring, Macreen is hiring, Warner Bros is hiring. Wow, I would like to apply. Test lead, senior test engineer, all those. All there are a lot of manual testing openings. So let me know. Reach out to me personally on LinkedIn. I can share a link with you. You can check the JD if that really is a JD for you, and if it aligns with yours, I can probably send links to people who can refer you. All right. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? 2 more minutes. We will take questions and just drop off. Okay. So if there is no other question, we will close off the session today. I'll see if I can. I know a lot of you guys are telling me that I missed the session because you let me know it was last minute. Yes, I am doing that. I will try to organize myself. What are the tools need to learn for AI automation? 4 years of experience. For AI, like undoubtedly go for Selenium. So Selenium is the open source, lot of openings. Market is really huge. It has been for the past 10 years for Selenium. And if you are learning freshly, go for Playwright. So Playwright is a tool that will help you just learn one tool and you can do both UI and API automation just with Playwright. Because if you go for if you're going for Selenium, tomorrow you may be asked to learn Rest Assured, and if it is Python, you will be asked to learn Request Library. So instead of doing that, if you go for Playwright, Playwright is really trending a lot. Lot of companies are asking for Playwright people. Even internally, there are companies who are looking for it, and they are getting very less resources for that. So Playwright is something that you need to learn and transition yourself. Playwright will help you like learn one tool and you can do both UI and API automation if you do Playwright. If you go for Selenium, then it will be like you have to learn one more technology like Rest Assured or Request Library, depending on if you go for Java, it will be Rest Assured. If you go for Python, it will be Request Library. So okay, we are at 9:20. I started the stream around 8:45. I'm not sure if that is working or this is working. Let's see. If you guys think that you want me to share my screen and teach you Python, I'll do that because we did the very first session today successfully. See if that is useful to you guys, because I only want to do things that are useful to you, because there is no point in me just sharing my screen, speaking all by myself. I don't want to do that. I really want to be here and respond to you guys, respond to your queries. So that is why I'm dedicating half an hour to 45 minutes every night to answer your questions specifically. So let me know if there are any other questions. We will take 5 more minutes to answer the questions. If not, we can close the session and see. And I really request you guys to go and watch the streaming video. If it was good, it is the first day of me live streaming my screen. So it may be a little on and off, but we will get there. We will get there eventually. All right. Thank you so much. I see a lot of you guys sending me support. Let me know. Just comment yes, Python, so that I know you guys really want me to share my screen and teach you Python, because that takes a little effort from my end. But if that is useful to you guys, I will do that. Okay. So Selenium Python sessions have officially begun. It is completely free. Hi Yukesh, I see that you have pinged me on LinkedIn. I will get back to you once the session is done. I learned Java, but I forget it. No worries. So I will. You can definitely brush up. What I'll suggest is go for W3 schools. Just revise the concepts there. And if you want to learn Selenium Java, there are courses. I will. Can you leave a hi to me? There is a session which is going to happen in January, which is really useful. A lot of people are getting placed from those sessions. You guys can let me know. Ping a hi, session details for Selenium Java. It is a paid session, but I'm pretty sure it will be really useful for you guys. It is a close friend of mine who's doing that. Hi Tarun, good evening. So you guys can join Selenium Java sessions there. Selenium Python I'm taking here. It is Selenium Python is completely free because I'm doing it for both our purposes. It is for you guys as well as I also want to sharpen my knowledge in Python, because I've been in Java for a very long time and Python is something that I'm just starting, so that I know what you guys ask. And usually when I teach, I understand what you guys expect, because teaching goes both ways, right? right? So I have to understand what questions you guys need, how I can draft my teaching. So if you guys want Selenium Java, comment or ping me on LinkedIn. I will send you the link to join that course. That course is full-fledged with interview support that those guys are doing. So here we teach Python for free, Python and Selenium for free. I teach. I don't have a team with me. It's just me here. All right. Any other questions, guys? Any other? We will take 2 more minutes. If you guys want Python Selenium sessions to go on, we will do it. But if you like Q&A sessions like this where I can come live, speak to you guys, answer your questions, I'll do that. If I understand C, C++, Java from the, yes, absolutely, absolutely. If you already know C, C++, and Java, definitely you can transition yourself into Python. Python is really easy if you know all these programming languages. Like, it should be a piece of cake for you. Any other questions, guys? We are at 9:23. I've been on this live for over an hour today. I usually only do 20 to 30 minutes, but today it went on because I wanted to share my screen. I've been promising this to you guys that I'll share my screen, teach you Python, and today I finally started fulfilling my promise. All right. Any other questions? Any other questions before we close the session off? I feel that this is more interactive than me sharing my screen and not being on camera, because it is not letting me be on camera when I am streaming my screen. And if I am doing it, it's my computer's camera and it is really bad. Any other questions, guys? If not, we will close the session off. You guys can reach me out on Instagram. You guys can reach me out on LinkedIn. I am going to do a quick Instagram live because I just crossed 1,000 followers there. It requires at least 1,000 followers for me to be live on LinkedIn. All right. Okay, guys, then thank you so much for joining. Good night. If you have any doubts, you can definitely join me back here tomorrow when we do another YouTube live session. All right. Thank you so much for